chota English. Opposite. Fast, slow. Accept, decline. Always, never. Arrive, leave. Better, worse. Asleep, awake. Early, late. Cheap, expensive. Empty, filled. Forget, remember. Far, near. Good, bad, clean. Dirty, easy, hard. Day, night, right, wrong. Rich, poor, strong, weak, friend, enemy, true, false, all, none. Agree, disagree, alone. Please do comment below.